Welcome, fam. You ever wake up feeling stiff and short of breath? Like your body's still tangled in yesterday? This flow is about resetting that stuckness from the ground up, no mat required. Let's hit the mat. Feet shoulder width apart, root down. Now lift your right arm high and gently arc to the left. Switch at 30 seconds. You're not just stretching your side, you're giving your lungs space to breathe. I promise this will decompress your ribs, improve posture, and help shake off that morning fog. Beginners, keep opposite hand on hip for balance. Advanced switches, reach past your ear and deepen the arc. Here's a wild fact. Tight obliques can limit how deeply you breathe. So ask yourself, are you breathing deeply or just surviving your mornings shallowly? 5 more seconds. Bigger breath. Let's go. That just created space up top. Now we drop down and clear the chain. Take a wide stance, hinge at the hips, alternate tapping your opposite foot with each hand. Feel the pull in your hamstrings, the stretch in your lower back, and the gentle twist through your lower core. I promise this gentle movement opens the posterior chain, resets spine rotation, and preps your brain for movement. Beginners, bend your knees more. Advanced switches, keep your legs straighter and deepen the reach. Hold that forward fold for 5 seconds. Can you feel your spine sighing? That just reset your back. Now we add motion to keep it that way. Just outside hip width, squat down, grab your toes, extend your legs towards straight, back to squat, repeat. This is where function meets flexibility. I promise this move improves ankle mobility, stretches hamstrings, and warms up your lower back all at once. Beginners, don't worry if your legs don't go fully straight. Advanced stretches, try holding the bottom squat for 2 to 3 breaths before standing. This move is used by strength coaches because it's that effective. Let's test your focus. 5 more seconds. Keep that spine long as you rise. That just activated your lower body. Now let's control the hips. Hands on hips, start to draw small semicircles forward and back, right to left. Keep it smooth and intentional. We're creating controlled chaos, just enough to wake up your joints. I promise these subtle circles improve proprioception and protect your hips from future stiffness. Beginners, keep it gentle. Advanced stretches, add in a soft knee bend and go a little deeper. Feel awkward? Good. That means your body's learning. 5 more seconds. Switch directions. That just unlocked your control. Now let's challenge your range. Now take those circles all the way around. Big, smooth, slow, forward, side, back, side. This is your gamified challenge. How fluid can you make your movement? I promise this will open up your hip capsule, improve circulation, and help prevent lower back pain. Beginners, use a wall for balance. Advanced switches, close your eyes and feel the arc from the inside. Question for you. Can you keep your knees soft, core engaged, and hips moving evenly? 5 more seconds. Bigger circle, smoother breath. And that just finished your standing reset. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a faith-fueled nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends, and it's completely free to start. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to begin your free 3-day reset now. Then, when you're ready, if those 3 days wake something up in you, if your body starts to feel aligned, your mornings calmer, your breath steadier, you'll have the option to keep going with the full 30-day reset rhythm experience. Same rhythm, deeper reset. Weekly themes with daily scripture, stretches, journaling, daily support, and God at the center of it all. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts us into the kingdom.